Pakajing ya kasingi ba hinyo kata shwa bandap shispa andri pra kenta kajing ki shatran dau ba pansiudor nonglang chairman ka Green Tech Foundation Hamadan Malki ka khatsantrik uyayong arajar apanrio ki doktor ka jingsandan lang ki bor Manchester ka East Castles District kilawan biang ban pej ya ka kot ka khia jongu pat ban ya penbej ru kumno bu un sange no ya ka jingi ki shatran jongu bor Manchester kilawan rengkat ka jing terwa ban ka office jong ka director ka tanat tourism ka sarkar jala kapli jingkhang yuba Bansiudor pat ka foundation hi ban wan yekren halor ki mat jingtawa jongki halor kani ga jingtarwa kinoyalam ka foundation pakanthop yuba ritre lingdo secretary general lem ki wikpe pat kila ong bakatanat tourism ka dei ban pha jingtho shwa pekin ye perkhat lakin pedyang ne em ban lej shakamie yekren ka jingi ki shatngan do ba Bansiudor kala nangyo jingkershan ki bubun kilyang lakalong kisang balang kisang sanhima pat ki wikwe kata bandawa nak sarkar bandum aiwai lang ye ka dolan nong lumpong deng na ka banta ban shna ye ka taj yam resort patspa
Yan di ko ito kasi na.
I'm not certain say last week appointment hai. Don't be petty. I'm telling you right now.
Not petty. Petty is a very strong thing, sir.
No, you are being
We are
petty.
not petty. This coming out here and sitting out here for 7 days, it's not petty. It's not petty.
Arbaji,
It's not a petty issue.
director of
use that word
tourism.
petty.
I am using it.
You cannot use that
I'm
word petty.
speaking to someone who's at least ready to.
Are you ready?
Arbaji,
You say that you're ready.
Arbaji.
What words do you come out now?
Arbaji, the director of tourism. Iba sign itu agreement bagi persyarat.
Sila dari director jangan tourism ikut apa ni kendo entah ini tapi cuma 2 minutes ngilawan. Ini kan.
Pun kan note ban ong pi ban don kata appointment hamda yo
Ini
jibet.
dia
He has a petition in hand.
It is an appointment. It is an appointment. Nanti kita ikut.
Ini lah hai ni orang bilang tembalang di Pak ini situ officially
Officially,
We had sent a
She has-
petition officially. She has to give
least
us a
comply,
petition.
Pak.
So, come on, that is
Di Pak ini berikan permission
We don't work like this.
permission officially. Kita tanya layak officially.
words from the other end. to the other.
beli tempat beli kendo.
Ini kendo tembalang
Kata shisha.
doesn't.
Official writing.
Apart from that official beli, dan nongkrong show nama ni keren.
Official writing. You need that.
Ini lah Pak petition. What long
It's her time to, it's the period.
Enough ya. You didn't even know that the director was female ya, or his wife.
Yes.
He batas tak
Boleh,
tak
boleh.
berapa
Madam Brenda is, we know. Madam Brenda is there.
Madam gila ikan tu.
I met her when I went to collect the RTI.
Kila orang bagi
I
dia
met her.
convention kimle.
Gila.
But
Oh,
facility dekat
yesterday
ni
you
venue.
came. After day one you came here.
My job was for law and order. Who you think has given instruction for medical team to come all these days?
Yes.
Who you think has given has deployed to do what? Visit what?
You have to visit us and see the situation.
We are monitoring throughout the day.
Someday kata
We
kata subject matter orang
Don't tell me
dia.
how to do my job.
I'm not dictating you to
You
do your
have
job.
been
Yang
producing
kami keren
peacefully.
dia kata.
There's no
Ini
need for
keren
law
dia
and
kata.
order. There's no need for magistrate. But one
Ni apa sih benin mara long ni facilitate kata
day,
keren.
mar baple ki mar bari open ki offices. Ni facilitate start meeting. Minta apa? Ngan ong biang. Pi persya itu ke agreement. Ibasain ke agreement film kau mana kendo.
Yang ini kendo, paling ini kendo. Ang balong
Pi abitai da official writing. Haba andam lang kan. Ki media ke don hang ni. Kon ka
Kamuta
ka meeting.
kita to.
Da fi mi syabab.
Yang kilang edisi, yang kilang edisi lah penting ke kubor. Ba ketika official. Mo, ba ketika official.
Official. The public has to know that we have received an official intimation from the Directorate of Tourism Department that they want to meet us.
Speak to her.
Ini
Clarify. Don't forget your actual matter that you're fighting for. Don't fight regarding that official letter meeting and all. You seek an appointment and you got an appointment.
We have sent a
Anybody who goes and seeks an appointment does not get an official letter. You can go to any place in any government office. If you seek an appointment, if I seek an appointment with a director of my he doesn't send me officially that your appointment has been approved.
So it means kamot tanggaw ka siya kamot. Being a file ka petition sa pagka directorate, kamot ladi mas ka kamrang ka jongki bakin reply ka petition ka jongi, kamot ihabu appointment si kata.
Balay fi miya karang panghata bakendo ya ikan.
ini kendo kata nak kelang jong fi lawan hang ni ban ong ini officially by director madam ini kendo ini. Mo, tinggal lagi.
Nandon lang mga
Tinggal lagi kata. Mo,
That was the first thing I want to you. Mana duk menen ni akran
Tapa kadiman dong itu dia kalau kita. Nadu pun sedang ni kadiman untuk kan nek untuk. Angin saya kira
Kata
kita
tinggal
support.
mereka.
Pati ingin mereka.
Ano sir?
Thank you for that.
Kuma piat I mene nakaliang jong ka district administration kila pha biang ya I magistrate ki jongki bagi nuan hang ni banyakran hang ban penbu kata ka appointment bagi director jong ka tourism tambah kebenekong ni sutu I ba kadai ba ngingila da pha lupa kita ki kot kisla na adu kini kita yo ki belalai ka ngi klem mi hiru hang ni hamadan kum ni da ka khatin kila don kijing tho ta bangi la pha kijing tho ta makiru kiliban reply yang ini kijing tho tina kalian ka jong ka tourism department ki oh na ba kilapon bu ya ta ka appointment oleng baka district administration tamangi so kita ki baro kilong no kibam songnya kibam bentoi hiru nomor balai nila song ni mentalah news chairman jengi kata kejing sa jing itu baklam bupor kelakot news ni re haduk mentak la diban miin kata kejing khot jo kibon amba to ya ngin scrap no ya kanika project nang tin lompong deng henry ya kata ru lagi wan hang ni gi phawan perngem ni gi phawan le da kum ni da kum tai kamdon ta kata clarity kamdon kata kajing sai kidai ban mi chakmat ban ong da kajing sai da kajing tho bapet i khot ia pi ka foundation ka belapan i ka ni ka demonstration halor kata kapang ka ban weng no ya ka project nang tino ulumpong deng ka ba aru kidai ban ai kata ka assurance ka bakin ong ba hot ni lasung thu ya kajing pensai ka jong pi lung ba ka ni ka hunger strike ke kumtangi na kaliang ka Directorate of Tourism ni Kloy Banweng no ya kateka project na ulupong deng tang kita hira dim pile tang kumta ni da ka masuk da ka bakmen da ka bajai klem kata ka kumbangi on klem pensit yanu ru ni da ka bajai nang ni namadan malki tang kata hira sai
to pan sai bahaya kata ni hatuk pin lek jam patai kan ni ka jingkhot leng ba ki district administration ma pin lek jik pendu ada to
kino kijing khot na kaliang ka district administration laki one na benta ka tourism department na benta ka directorate nilong ki bakloy tambag ngiru na ungkong ni kem ong ra bangi suwan hang ni to weng no ilong pon ni kem pertai ndegi pha de kijing tho ladi ki one na kalinti jo ka jing tho bat kin pensai ka phang jo ka jing khot jing yakran nilong ki bakloy balik ya kendu
ina kaliang jong ka administration district administration lawan pensgo yang kata khubor kaba nakaliang ka tourism lakloi bani khot yakran ni te ngiru ni pediang subhai kata kajing khot tangba ni dan ka condition ka bang ibu kadai kaba ka tourism kadai ban ai ka phang pu khot ni ban kong kaba ar kadai atu kadai ban ai ka assurance ni ba ka scrap no ya ka lumpong deng ai tang kata te haba kamdon jingbut yang i bangin let mi dan kini kerja mengili keren but kita ki basai ni agreement dan ni po directorate but in hab one payam rem jingbut ke jongi kalau bangin mi nang ni kerja in mi in yo da kejing job kejing suk ba kejing sai yo pai ta tangata ni nak lang jongi ni ong ni kloi ban le kejing lang wala pi kampa ni da ko salah henry ni ong i pi ko de ba ai ngi ka assurance ai ngi ka phang bangin ni keren ai ngi ka assurance ba fin ong ba fin call off na ke project tangkata nak lang jongi ngi ngil update nomor nadu kis ngi kong ngil apha ka petition ke ladang ile hang teru ke de kejing ektir ya taru kan de halal tu petition ka diman ka jongi kalong strong mentalah news ngi layan diman jongi kalong strong ba call off yo lumpong deng ya ka la terminate no ya ka jing ai jong pi hand over yo lumpong deng project
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F hakajing som yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayen la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya